Hi friends, welcome to Dikshuchi. I wish you a very happy new year and also thank you for all your warm wishes for the new year. As my friends and relatives and viewers are requesting for trading strategies, and I am going to release first video of my trading strategies. And whatever the stocks I am suggesting here are purely depending on my personal research. So here are few. This is January 2022. If you want to go for long term investment, these are the stocks which I can suggest. So there are three stocks which I can suggest for this month. Those are Torrent Pharmaceuticals Limited and Adani Enterprises and Fortis Healthcare Limited. Where come for Torrent Pharmaceutical Limited, it was actually started in the year 1994, means it's secondary market. It entered into the secondary market in the year 1994. So it was started with the open price of this was 41.25. Now the price has raised to 3,278. Now it is 2022. Almost in 18 years, it has given 7,800 plus percentage growth. If you see the Adani Enterprises, it came into the stock market in the year 1995 with open price of 0.73. Now the current market price is 1709.50 and it has generated almost 23,000 2 lakhs change of growth, 2 lakhs percentage of growth. Now the third one which I can suggest is Fortis Healthcare Limited. In the year 2008 it started secondary market and raising the shares from the public. That is started with the open price of 109.9, that is almost 110, and now the current price is 297.3 and it has shown 171% of the growth in the market. So friends, these are what the long term investments which I can suggest, and these are the few stocks which you can invest for. Also, let us see the short term investment. This is only for a week or 10 days or even for 1 or 2 days. It may hit your target. So those are, first thing is Aditya Birla Fashion, and current market price is 272.25 and the target price is 290. And Zee Entertainment Limited, so current market price is 320 and the target price is 322. These are for 1 day, 2 day or even for 10 days it may be, right? So now let us see the interesting one, that is intraday stocks, which you can look upon on 3rd January 2022 for your intraday market. And again I am reminding, these are based on my personal research. So first one is ICICI Bank. Current market price is 740.8, means if the market opens tomorrow more than this current price, above this current price, then you can go for an intraday. Our target on this ICICI Bank is 743. Next stock is AU Small Finance Bank Limited. So current price is 1040 rupees and target is 1053 rupees. Tata Steel Limited 1112 rupees and 1114 is our target. I am reminding again, if the stock market opens above these current market prices, then immediately you can buy for it and your target is this one. Okay, and Bharti Airtel 681 and 683 is the target. Wipro Limited 716 and 717 is target, and Mahindra 837 and 840 is your target, and SBI Life Insurance 1200 and 1209 is a target. Apollo Microsystems Limited, it is 165 and target is 170. Hindu Zinc Limited is 317 and 318. So these are the stocks which you may look into tomorrow to buy, and this is for intraday only, and these are the current market prices. If the market opens above this price, you can immediately enter into the trade and take the trade, and you are going to your target prices are these. Okay, so let me give you the other important, that is support and resistance of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty I am looking into the support as 17,320 and 17,400 is the resistance. Same way the Bank Nifty, I can see the support over 35,425 and 35,677. So my assumption is the market may swing between, the market may give a movement between 35,425 to 35,672. So if you are interested and if you like it, please do subscribe so that you can get everyday updates like this from today onwards. So if not subscribed, please do subscribe and also post your comments in the comment box so that I can give you little more data based on my research. Until then, happy trading day. Bye.